Alicia, I'm glad you come out, come see this.
Outside nice see? Wow.
Yeah, girl.
Did you go out himself? But Shirley over there, so you see her, I don't know.
Yeah, she and our new man that.
Nice out here. Go and check out the menu.
A top place, girl. I have to handle some food.
Food not even expensive like that, girl. Place not too bad. Not even feel hungry.
Girl, the crazy my belly a growl.
May I put together now?
Make me add some drink.
Have it, man. You ready? That is the dinner money. We said that only on the board outside. We're up, my girl, living the life. One drink turn two. Two turn away the money go. Start with a one drink.
Cheers, my galley.
Outside. They get him angle that. One drink can turn two. Two can turn few. You know? Yeah. You don't want no truth, so you know act like that.
That is it.
Mr. Gustavo at Galley. I'm saying, Kabai, baby, 1, 2, 3, Mr. Kabai. Wine in a jam, use a bad wine and alright, tight. Miss outside nice here. Nah, I deserve to enjoy myself.
Girl, you alright?
Yeah, man, alright. Maybe I grow a little bit.
So out of the food, that girl, where you weird pan?
Yeah, I gotta get something. I want the 12-piece wings. I want one serving of fries with it. And you know, we could dumpling something with the jalapeno nice. But I anger that so. Thanks, good. Can I see it?
3 hours later.
Now get ready to go home, you know, there's food nice, vibes nice, liquor turn up.
Yeah, man.
Alright, babes, later here, we'll pack off. Just one little thing. I can't cook tomorrow. Because I don't know where all of the money go when I bring out here so tonight. How much drinks I buy so? I really hope I cook tomorrow. Really hope. Hope is not a plan. Different day. Same lie.